Good morning. We are up and out. It is 8:30 and we are just walking to the monkey trail. We've had our first night in the hostel and I don't mind it, I think it's okay, but Alice is not a fan. Yeah, I think it's more the bathroom is just one like small wet room, like it's a tiny little room but for 8 people as well, and it's got shower, toilet and sink all in like just one small room, like a complete wet room. And yeah, because obviously everything gets wet and they probably don't clean it super well. Yeah, it's it does have a bit of a smell to it.
It's making me gag.
Yeah, making Alice gag, but she is dramatic, so. And obviously as well, because everyone gets in at different times, gets up at different times, like you hear alarms, you get woken up quite a bit, so you don't have the best sleep. But yeah, it's an experience and it's all part of the fun, isn't it?
Yeah, I know I am trying to embrace it, but
Are you?
I just find it really disgusting.
We're going to have more positive energy going forward and we're going to go and enjoy the monkey trail hopefully. I'll show you what we're walking into. So this is where we're walking, into the woods somewhere. Hopefully it's this way, that's where we're going.
There's a monkey up there, in the tree. I was going to say this is Joe's first time seeing a monkey ever. I'm scared.
There's a monkey up there. You can see the tree rattling. Can't see it here. I don't know if you can see him in there. There's a small one over there, baby. There's loads. There's one just sitting right there. I don't know if you can see him. And there's baby ones up there.
The more you see, the
it's really hard to. Yeah, it's really hard to video. I'm scared they're going to come and steal my phone.
I don't think these ones will.
There's baby there. Look at them. One's come up close to us. Hello. Oh, there's one up there. Look, you can see he's eating something. And the baby there. Oh, look.
We're walking across this rickety old bridge. We're trying to keep up with the other tourists because we're scared. There's so many monkeys. Pretty beach we're walking past as well. These steps are questionable. You have to watch where your foot goes. It's a little dog. Oh, sweet.
Just walked all the bridges and ended up at this beach. It's beautiful. And I think the monkey trail is still continuing, but I'm not sure where.
We've just been into this hotel to ask like where's the monkey trail, and they said we've already done it basically. Yeah. It was that bit that we walked through, but they said monkeys sometimes come to this beach in the afternoon, so I think we've come a bit early.
Early bird does not catch the worm.
Catch the monkey. The camera just isn't picking up how pretty this beach is. We're going back up the steps to see the monkeys we saw before. That one's so little. Oh.
I don't know why I chose the biggest one to try and be friendly with it.
Joe's trying to make friends with this one to take a selfie. Oh, hello. These two keep growling at each other.
Oh, look at the baby
hello.
one. This is.
What's going on over here? Look at all the rubbish on the floor. Oh, that is a big The guy that we met on the snorkeling trip said you're not meant to smile at them because if you show your teeth they take it as a threat. So I'm like walking around really scared to smile. Oh god. You're brave.
I don't know how defensive they are.
I don't think you should touch it, Joe. You probably have diseases.
Can't touch them.
I wouldn't.
Keep jumping.
Look at the way he's sitting, it's so strange. This one's eating a melon. Oh, look!
Just blinking away like, okay, you're poking me in the eye.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Look, he's holding it. Sheep.
Getting rid of his nits.
Oh my god.
Searching through his fleas and eating them.
Yummy.
It's so funny how they do it. It's like your mum when she's looking through your hair for nits.
Teresa, that is an insult.
He's just biting them off his body. Giving him a good clean in there. Yeah, look behind the ears. He's like, what are you looking at?
We're just looking for somewhere to have some breakfast. We've been walking along the beach.
We are now up for breakfast after seeing the monkeys. And look at our drinks. We're in this really fancy, nice little hotel. And it's a little cafe as well. Very fancy. Breakfast has come. I've got an overnight oats fruity bowl, which looks really good. And Alice has got poached egg on avocado and smoked salmon, which is what's in that little bowl.
It looks really, really fancy.
Yeah, really good presentation and everything.
Ready for my egg pop.
Wow.
It's 11:30 now. We've just spent some time in that restaurant looking at more places to stay for the rest of our trip. We're just going back to the hostel to get a beach bag, and we're hoping to get a boat to Railay Beach. Bought tickets to go to Railay Beach. Getting on the boat. It's very efficient. We only bought our ticket like 30 seconds ago.
On our speedboat over. We're on the basic boat over there. Just pulling into Railay Beach.
Joe's gone in the sea. Oh, I think he's tripping over. Everyone's gathered over here. I think it's because there's a monkey.
Look at that, it's a strange looking monkey.
Oh yeah, wow.
Like a white little face. Yeah, so cute.
Got a little baby in there. I'm just reading my book. Joe's been standing here this whole time watching the monkeys.
Here she is. Look at her in her Crocs. My sliders brought my feet to the top.
Yeah, that's what happened to me.
find anything.
Oh my god.
I've just got a club sandwich and some chips on the beach to enjoy.
I've read a lot like my book.
Well done, the
I've read
housemaids. Well done, housemaid.
Thanks.
That
Yum.
cross section, as Alice would say.
Look at that cross section. These little houses, not houses, huts are so cute. I think it's like a resort.
Yeah, I think that's right.
Forgot to mention, but we're actually walking to try and find a cave. That was on our list of things to do.
Found some more monkeys. Look at them all clambering about. See them jumping about.
Oh my gosh, this is so much bigger than it looks on camera. We're clearly coming up to the cave because it's giving cave.
Look at this, massive. All above us. We're walking into the cave.
Also, you're still filming.
Yeah.
Becca, you won't like this story because you get upset when people hurt themselves. I was just talking about when Dad hit his head in the cave. It was bleeding, and there was also a man. He was stabbing his head. He was bald, and it was bleeding as well.
And it was just as we were talking about Ian hitting his head. Oh gosh, these steps are a bit rigidy and they look snapped in some places. Gosh, dark. Sorry viewers, you may not be able to see much. It's either bats or birds. Oh gosh, some of these steps are very rocky.
Christ, the floor is very uneven and very wobbly. There's the bats.
Found the herd of bats. Very detailed cave in here.
We're just walking around. We saw that there's a lagoon nearby and also another cave, so we're going to go and find them. It's just beautiful around here. Can't even explain how pretty this is, and we're just finding it, just wandering around. More monkeys. He's only got one arm.
Well, he's got half of it. He's just lost his hand by the looks of it. Oh, he's coming.
He wants their food, I think. People rock climbing and abseiling here. And monkey there.
Trying to steal their food and drink.
The way up the viewpoint is up here, just pulling a rope.
Climbing up the rocks on the road. It's 105 metres up, so quite a climb.
Not sure how these people are going to do this, to be honest.
Gosh, it's so risky.
Oh my god.
If they fell, they literally just die.
Oh. We probably won't go to the lagoon because the only way to get there was up that hill. And we're carrying lots of, well, I'm carrying bags, and we've got sliders on. Well, I've got Crocs on. Socks and Crocs. So we're going to keep walking and hopefully find another cave. We've come out to a beach with like the cave around it. The water's over there. I don't know how we found this, but we have. Where are we? Very confused. It's like a shrine.
Penis.
That's Joe. Is he alive? So that's the Princess Cave there behind us. Just massive. Joe's swimming around there to see what's around the corner. I went in the water in the end because Joe was gone behind that rock for so long. I didn't know where he'd gone, and also we've got a 6 o'clock. Like the last time you can get a boat back is 6 o'clock.
I was just exploring.
He was just exploring.
I had found some rocks and I climbed them.
Yeah, it was like went through like a little gap in the water to find some more water. My brain's on a lag today.
Went and found like a side bit in the cave basically where there was loads of water, and then climbed out of the water, and then there was like ropes up, like climb up a bit of this cave, and did that. And
Yeah, and cut his feet.
yeah, cut my hand and my feet, but it's all worth it.
So I was trying to stay with the bags. Oh, my hair's because the top's dry and the bottom's wet. It looks really weird. I was trying to stay with the bags, but he was gone so long I had to go and find him. We're just walking back to Railay Beach because we need to get a boat back to Ao Nang before 6 o'clock.
Just burying Alice.
I like it, it's soft.
It's so soft, the sand is just like...
The softest sand you could ever...
Just like a feather.
Ew, what's that, a tissue? It's 22 or 5:45, so we need to get the boat back to Ao Nang in a minute because that's got the kind of cut off. But look at the sun, it's setting. Oh, lots of people walking past. Yeah. We've just got off the boat and now we're walking along Ao Nang Beach to find a place called Bamboo Beach Club, which was one that the girl that we met at the snorkeling recommended. And then we can watch the sunset from there, hopefully. We're still just in our swimwear.
We've got tequila sunrises in a jacuzzi pool on the beach and about to watch the sunset. It's a hard old life. We picked a restaurant to come out for dinner. Looks really nice, got lots of Thai food and lots of other options. And then I ordered a clingy Coke and I didn't know what it was. And turns out it's an Ian Coke. Alice has got a prawn...
Panang curry.
Yeah, or a shrimp Panang curry and egg fried rice. I've just got rice. I have got beef coming, but it hasn't come yet. My beef has turned up. Stir-fried beef, garlic and pepper with chili. Enjoy!